Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's look for you guys. So to start off, I'm going to be using this moisturizer. If you guys have really dry skin or need like a moisturizer, like you don't like lotion all up on your face, because I hate that, this is like a super good moisturizer. It's like a gel and it literally just like goes right into your face and like absorbs so fast, so it's so nice. I definitely recommend it. It's only like $8. It's the Garnier Skin Active. Next, I'm going to be using this NYX Total Control Primer. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Infallible Total Coverage Foundation in the shade 303, and then I'm also going to be using the True Match by L'Oreal, and this is in N3. And then to wet by Beauty Blender, I'm going to use the MAC Oh, I freaking forgot to tell you everything that I just did, so best YouTuber. Okay, so for concealer, I just used this. Gotta get the crud off. Powder, I just used this. And I used this one and I used the Honey Beige, and then I just use like a flat beauty blender to like apply the powder. And then for bronzer, I just used this. And then to do my eyebrows, I'm just going to use the Modern Renaissance in Warm Taupe, and then just this flat eyebrow brush. Okay, and then to conceal my eyebrows, I'm just going to use the same Tarte concealer that I used for my concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour my nose using the same bronzer that I used. And I'm just gonna use this Anastasia brush. It came with the Modern Renaissance, but I'm just gonna use this end of it. A flat beauty blender and just dip it in my powder and then contour my nose. Or not contour, bake. Okay, so to start off with the eyes, I'm going to use my Modern Renaissance. And I'm going to go in with Buon Fresco. And then I'm going to go in with Love Letter. And then I'm going to go in with Vienna Red, or no, Venetian, I don't know how to pronounce that. With this like skinnier fluffy brush. I'm going to be going back in with my Tarte concealer and cutting my crease. And then I'm going to take Vermeer from the Renaissance. And then I'm just going to put that all over where I cut the crease. And then I'm going to take the Stila, I don't even know what these are called, Magnificent Metals, and this is the one in Ballet Baby. So then I'm going to take Love Letter again, and I'm going to put that under my lash line. So I just curled my eyelashes and did my bottom lashes. I just used the Falsies Volume Express by Maybelline. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss Lash in Gala. And then I'm going to be using the Allo Strip Adhesive Eyelash Glue by Kiss. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Glow Kit by Anastasia, and then I'm just going to dip into this color and this color. I definitely hit pan on this, as you can see. So for a lip, I'm going to be using the Melted Matte by Too Faced, and this is in Child Star. And then I'm going to throw a gloss over top of that, and this is the Vivid Hot Lacquer. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry, I'm stupid. And this is in Tease. It's really light if you like a light lip. And then I think I'm going to go in with Cool Girl, and I'm just going to darken the edges a little bit because I don't like how light it looks. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!